Hello guys, today we're going to do another video, and this time we're going to talk about the Xiaomi Redmi 7. So as you can see, this box is unopened and we're going to unbox it, but first let's look at some specifications. We see dual cameras on the back, a 12 megapixel main camera and a 2 megapixel one. We have a 6.3 HD plus display, and this comes with 2 gigabytes of RAM and 16 gigabytes of ROM. The color is black. The company calls it Eclipse Black. So we have the global version, and let's open it. Different from other boxes, this is like pretty easy to open. Right off the bat we see that we have a case. Yeah. Minimal books. We have only one small user guide. We have like a black TPU case. Yeah, normal one, just like in every Xiaomi device. Okay, the phone itself. It's quite nice, I have to say, it's quite nice. And also the normal charger that we see on every Xiaomi box. No headphones though. Okay, see? Yeah. And the USB cable. We have like a micro USB cable here. Yes, so basically this was the unboxing video. I'm putting everything, just gonna put the case. Yeah, as I see, this case is different from others, as this case protects the charging port from dust. And this being said, I'm going to end the video, and I will see you through all of my other videos that I'm going to post comparing this device with, let's say, Samsung A10 or M10 or other devices from Samsung. So until then,